System.io. He say, if you don't know what it is, maybe do you know ClickFunnels, um, Leads Pages, or
I don't know
Builderall?
what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello! In this video, I'm going to talk about System.io. You know, I talked before about it. It's a ClickFunnels killer. It's the new one you should know about if you know ClickFunnels, because it has all the functionalities of ClickFunnels at a fraction of the price, and it has even more functionalities than ClickFunnels. And it's true, it's working already. It's not just released. It's been here for over 2 years, but you have not heard about it because it started on the French market. And in those 2 years, it quickly grew to be number one of the French market. You know, there is competition in the French market already, but it has grew from zero to being at the top, number one. It's like ClickFunnels in the world, in the English market, is number one. ClickFunnels, you know, it has tens of thousands of customers. System.io, on the other hand, it is number one in France with 2,000 customers. 2,000 is enough to be number one in France only. But in the English market, at the moment, it has only a few dozens customers in English. But the software itself has been translated in English. Everything is perfect in English and also in Spanish. But there hasn't been any promotion. The influencer have not yet discovered this tool, and it has an affiliate program, 40% commissions on 2 levels. So the second level is 5%. So really, if you are an affiliate marketer, jump on it now, because the CEO of System.io has started to contact influencers, big or small, and tell them by email manually to speak about System.io. It's just now, starting from September 2019, it starts to do that. So, you know, you can see one example is, let's say, a small influencer. His name is Marty Englander. You can see on his YouTube channel, he has 400 subscribers. So it's a small influencer, but it's one was decided to go with it. He's already making tutorials about internet marketing, digital marketing, other softwares. So he has started to do a series of videos in English about System.io. So you can take the trend now. You can find in my description links to get System.io, or you go to systemio.com and you can find a 30 days trial, not 14 days. You can have 30 days if you want to try it. But honestly, it's been 2 years that I've been using it. There's no need to try it. Just take the first plan, the basic one, at $27 per month. You get free customers as affiliate, and your account costs you nothing. So just start. You don't need the 30 days trial. What I wanted to talk about in this video, finally, is what is being said by Marty. So he compares System.io. He says, if you don't know what it is, maybe do you know ClickFunnels, Leads Pages, or Builderall? Yes, you know, so they are sales builder, so it's the same, but System.io will crush them. But now I have to say something, it's not the same. If you want to know what is System.io, it's simple. You think of ClickFunnels, and then you have to think that it's way cheaper than ClickFunnels, and it has the same functionalities and more. You know, the same functionalities of ClickFunnels and more at a fraction of the price. Because as you know, or maybe not, but ClickFunnels is way overpriced. It has started 5 years ago as a tool for affiliate marketers, digital marketers, you know, so they set a high price. At the start it was $97, you know, 97, and with a commission rate of 40%. So all affiliate marketers have promoted it and made a lot of money because the price is so high, so the commission also is so high. It's a recurring product, subscription based. So it has been very successful, and also because of course it answers a problem of digital marketers to have everything in one platform. But for instance, on ClickFunnels, you don't have email marketing. You have to pay for your own email autoresponder and then link it to ClickFunnels. But on System.io, the email marketing is included in the price. And so you will see, when you know about the features, you will see that there are more features than ClickFunnels, and the price is way cheaper. So in this video of Marty, he said this, that it's like Lead Pages, Builderall, and ClickFunnels. But Lead Pages, it's just a small funnel builder. You cannot host things on it. I mean, it's based on WordPress. So let's say Lead Pages is not really a comparison to do. As for Builderall itself, so Lead Pages, you can see it's not, but Builderall is not like ClickFunnels or System.io. Builderall is much more than this. You can build sales funnels with Builderall, but it's only a subset of what you can do with Builderall. So let's not talk about Builderall, and let's not compare ClickFunnels or System.io to Builderall. This is not good for those ClickFunnels and System.io, because those two, they are specialized in sales funnels, and if you want only to do this, then between ClickFunnels and System.io, you will take System.io. But Builderall is for this and for all the rest of your digital marketing needs. So what you can do is to have two accounts, one on Builderall to cover all your bases, and then you can take an account at System.io in order to put all your sales funnels, and then you can include them into your Builderall pages. You can do that. This will make sense because yes, you can do everything with Builderall, but it's easier to do it with a tool that is specialized in this. So for sales funnels, which are quite important, why not use System.io, so that you will have your sales page, payment, and also hosting of your digital products, all on System.io, and then use Builderall to do all the rest of your marketing online. This will make sense, and it will be cheaper. If you take Builderall $69 per month and System.io $27 per month, you have less than $100 per month, which is good for online business, and you have everything covered. With Builderall, you have so many tools, digital marketing tools, like creating chatbot, creating magazines, online magazines. You have a CRM. If you want, you can build the directories, complete website, very advanced website, blogs, etc. You have e-commerce also. If you want to do a proper online shop with Magento, it's included in Builderall. So Builderall is the motherboard, and then you can have some specialized tools if you want. But in Builderall, you also have email marketing. So you will have two email marketing. On Builderall, it's unlimited. On System.io, there are some limits, but you have time to fill them. For instance, $27. The limit is 5,000 contacts, but unlimited sending of emails. So you can use both. You can mix them together, and that's it. You won't need any other tools. For example, for Facebook chatbot, you can use the Facebook chatbot editor of Builderall. But if you want a really specialized tool, then you will take ManyChat or Chatfuel or something like this if you want. But you have all your tools on Builderall. That's what I would recommend to do. So Marty start to explain by comparing, by taking a bad comparison, because you cannot compare System.io to Builderall. It's not the same. Lead pages, I have this screen on the video, but forget about it. It has nothing, no email marketing, no nothing. So it's not a good example. Maybe it was just to give you a little sense of what is System.io, but it took bad examples. Only ClickFunnels is enough. If you know ClickFunnels and if you know only one sales builder, it will be a ClickFunnels. Then think about System.io. It has the same functionalities and more for a fraction of the price. I would say it's more than 3 times cheaper. More, because $27 you get more than $97 on ClickFunnels, and even the $300 per month on ClickFunnels, it has a lot of tools. But in fact, you have all those features, the tools, you have them in the $27 plan of System.io. For instance, the affiliate program. You can create an affiliate program for your own products. This is included from the start of System.io. On ClickFunnels, you need to buy the $300 to have the backpack extension called like this and other tools, but still no email marketing. Even at $300, you don't get an email autoresponder. So what you know that they are abusing their position in ClickFunnels, and this will not last for very long now. Now that System.io CEO has started a campaign on the English world, it will grow very fast. So be on the trend right now. Do a video like I am doing, like Marty is doing, and like others will follow. You will see a top influencer very quickly. They will talk about System.io. So why not be there already? Prepare your bonuses. Like all products. Prepare like Marty is doing. He's doing a video series about System.io. For sure, he has already prepared an advanced series that he will offer for free to those who will take System.io with his affiliate link. This is normal things to do. Provide an incentive for people to take System.io under you as your customer. So do the same. And as for me, if you want to take, because there are 2 levels of affiliation in System.io. I've been promoting System.io already with success in French market for 2 years, and so I know System.io a lot, and also I know that it sells very easily in French. So if you want to be my second level affiliate, and then you can contact me and ask me anything for help. If you need help in anything, I will provide it, because I have a vested interest in you making a lot of sales. Because the second level is 5%. So each time you sell an account, I get 5%. You get 40%, as your first level, and 5% as the second level. So let's work together. Let's take System.io from my link. If you don't want to spend $27 per month, you can get a free account, a free trial account for 30 days if you take by my link, and then it is also an affiliate account. You don't need to pay to have an affiliate account, and the second level will work. So you can ask me anything. If you have other tools to promote, to make promotional material, you can do it with your other tools and promote System.io. Just jump on the trend now and let's kill it. You will see that in 2020 the game will have changed. ClickFunnels will have a real competitor, well known. In a few months it will spread. So let's start now. Don't wait 1 day, 2 days. Just start now. Prepare your bonus, prepare your offer, and start making content about System.io with your affiliate link. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!